time now for our very boozy, naughty dessert to round things off. A hot porter chocolate fondant with whiskey, butterscotch and a delicious crème fraîche. So fondant, hot out of the oven, left to rest for about a minute. Takes about 7 to 8 minutes to cook through for a perfectly liquid centre. We're just going to pop that onto our plate just off a centre. So we've got room for the crème fraîche. A little tap and out that comes. Then we're going to dress the plate with a good old-fashioned rustic dollop of crème fraîche to cut through that richness, just add a bit of lightness to the plate. And then we finish it off with something very naughty but incredibly delicious. This bourbon butterscotch just drizzled on the fondant. Not too much, this is just for that boozy hit and a little bit of sweetness to counteract that porter. And there we have it, a porter chocolate fondant with a bourbon whiskey butterscotch sauce and crème fraîche.